Hello, this is Jolene. Today I will introduce this powder packing line for you. This packing line is from our conveyor, transferred powder to this packing machine. This machine does the collecting system also, and for different bottles. So now we are working on it. You can see the machine working. From this part, this is our conveyor. You can see it's our conveyor. It's transferred to the powder to the packing machine silo, and it's connecting automatically. And there you can see it's connecting automatically, feeding the powder to this hopper to a certain level, and then this machine can run it. So this part, position and filling, also can change for different bottle size. And for different weight, just change the filling screw is okay. So after filling here, we can go to the next stage, packing. We pack 300 grams. Is about within 1 gram. So if you are looking for this type of powder packing machine, you can contact us. We can offer you all main solutions.